Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Equity Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Equity Bank Login. Then scroll down a little bit. Then you can see equitybank.com. Tap on it or directly go to www.equitybank.com/digitalbanking. There on the top right corner, click to Login. Then select Personal Banking. It will redirect you to a login page. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your login ID, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Equity Bank account. To make login easier for next time, click to Remember Me. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Your Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.